Question number 16, we're dealing with a profit and loss problem. Firstly, you need to understand 15.38 comes from the fraction of 2 by 13. 2 by 13 is 15.38. So let us say the mark price, so we have two items A and B. So the cost price for both is C and C. Okay, so let us say so it's because it's mentioned that the cost price is same. Now the discount given in the case of A is 15.38, that is 2 by 13th fraction, and the profit on A is 27.27, that comes from 3 by 11. Similarly, if you're looking at discount given on B, it is the reverse. Now it is 3 by 11 and the profit on B is 2 by 13. So let's start with the cost price. So if you're looking at cost price as 143C. Now why did I take 143C? Because my cost price should be dealing with fractions of 11 and 13. So 11 into 13 gives you 143. So now if I get a profit of 3 by 11, it means I can find the selling price. Selling price of A is what? 143 cost price into fraction of 3 by 11 increase. So that is 1 plus 3 by 11, which is 14 by 11. Similarly, selling price of B is 143 cost price into profit increase. So 1 plus 2 by 13, that is 15 by 13. Now 11 goes 13 times and 13 goes 11 times. So you get selling price of A as 13 into 14. So what is the value of 13 into 14? 13 is a 169. And plus one more 13. So this is going to be 182C. And what is the selling price of B? Selling price of B is 15 into 11. 15 into 11, 15 tens are 150, 15 ones are 15. So 165C. Right. So we got these two values of selling price and A and B. Now we need to look at mark price. Now mark price. So selling price. So if you say mark price of A is here, mark price of B is MB, then on the mark price you are giving a discount. So if you want to look at mark price of A into the discount is 2 by 13th, which means 11 by 13th is your selling price, that is 182C. So your mark price of A will be 182 into 13 by 11C. Similarly, your mark price of B into, now the discount here is 3 by 11, which is 8 by 11th fraction is remaining. This should be equal to selling price, which is 165C, or mark price of B is 165 into 11 by 8C. Now the question is, which of these two is larger? So if you look at mark price of A, it is 182 into 13 divided by 11. So this is 215. 215.1 approximately C. And what is the mark price of B? Mark price of B is 165 into 11 divided by 8. So this is 226.8C. Clearly mark price of B is greater. So then find the item on which the mark price is more and by how much percentage is it more than that of the other item. So MB by MA minus 1. This is what they're asking. So find the ratio of these two. So you can just take 165 into 11 by 8 divided by 182 into 13 by 11. So this is the ratio that you want, and of course minus 1. So this is going to be 165 into 11 by 8 divided by 182 and 13, and then there is going to be divided by 13. Yes, and then there's going to be into 11. So this is going, if you use the calculator, you get this as 1.054 minus 1. So this is net 5.4% more. So that's your answer.